The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has transformed industries and created new opportunities for income generation. Among the many AI tools available, DeepSeek stands out as a versatile and powerful platform capable of driving innovation, efficiency, and profitability. This report explores how individuals and businesses can leverage DeepSeek's capabilities to unlock new revenue streams and enhance their financial prospects. DeepSeek is an AI-powered platform designed to analyze, interpret, and generate insights from complex datasets. Its applications span across industries including finance, healthcare, marketing, and education. Key features of DeepSeek include data analysis and visualization, natural language processing, automation, and predictive analytics. These capabilities make it a valuable tool for solving problems, optimizing processes, and creating new opportunities for income generation. DeepSeek's natural language processing capabilities enable users to create high-quality content for blogs, social media, ebooks, and more. This content can be monetized through affiliate marketing, where users promote products or services and earn commissions on sales. Additionally, content creators can generate ad revenue by driving traffic to websites or YouTube channels. Freelance writers can also offer content creation services to businesses and individuals, leveraging DeepSeek to produce engaging and relevant material efficiently. DeepSeek can analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and optimize pricing strategies. Entrepreneurs can use these insights to personalize marketing campaigns, increasing conversion rates by tailoring offers to individual preferences. The platform also supports inventory management by predicting demand and optimizing stock levels, reducing costs and minimizing waste. Furthermore, DeepSeek's automation capabilities can enhance customer support through AI chatbots, improving satisfaction and reducing operational expenses. DeepSeek's predictive analytics can be applied to financial markets to identify investment opportunities, assess risks, and optimize portfolios. By analyzing market trends and predicting stock performance, users can make informed decisions to maximize returns. Additionally, DeepSeek can be used to develop algorithmic trading systems, enabling automated execution of trades based on predefined criteria. This approach reduces emotional decision-making and improves efficiency in trading activities. Professionals can offer consulting services by leveraging DeepSeek's data analysis capabilities. This includes providing business intelligence to help companies make data-driven decisions, conducting market research to uncover consumer behavior and industry trends, and identifying inefficiencies to recommend performance improvements. By using DeepSeek to deliver actionable insights, consultants can position themselves as valuable partners to businesses seeking to enhance their operations and profitability. DeepSeek can be used to create and sell educational content, such as online courses, tutoring services, and ebooks. Educators can develop AI-powered courses on topics like data analysis, programming, or digital marketing, offering personalized learning experiences to students. Additionally, DeepSeek can assist in creating comprehensive guides and materials that cater to specific learning needs, enabling users to monetize their expertise and knowledge. Strategies for maximizing income with DeepSeek. Focusing on industries or sectors where DeepSeek's capabilities can provide the most value is crucial. For example, healthcare diagnostics, real estate analytics, and personalized marketing are areas where DeepSeek's data analysis and predictive capabilities can make a significant impact. By targeting niche markets, users can differentiate themselves and offer specialized solutions that meet unique needs. Promoting DeepSeek-powered services through a strong online presence is essential for attracting clients and customers. This includes creating a professional website, engaging on social media platforms, and showcasing success stories or case studies. By demonstrating the value of DeepSeek through real-world applications, users can build credibility and attract a wider audience. Collaborating with other professionals and businesses can amplify the impact of DeepSeek-powered services. Networking with industry experts, joining online communities, and participating in events can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Online sellers can use DeepSeek to automate product descriptions, analyze customer reviews for sentiment, and predict inventory needs. A dropshipping business, for example, might input sales data into DeepSeek to identify seasonal trends or high-demand niches. The AI could then generate optimized product listings and even draft email sequences for abandoned carts. For subscription box services, DeepSeek could personalize product recommendations based on customer preferences, reducing churn and increasing loyalty. By minimizing manual tasks, businesses reallocate resources toward marketing or customer acquisition. Freelancing and consulting freelancers can enhance their offerings by integrating DeepSeek into their workflows. A graphic designer might use the AI to brainstorm logo concepts or generate mock-up descriptions for clients, speeding up the ideation phase. Data consultants could input raw data sets into DeepSeek to generate visualizations or summaries, then refine the output into polished reports. By positioning themselves as AI-augmented professionals, freelancers justify premium pricing, such as charging higher rates for rapid turnaround times or data-driven insights that competitors lack. Education and online learning educators and course creators can use DeepSeek to design curriculum materials, quizzes, or even interactive chatbots for learners. For example, a language tutor might train DeepSeek on grammar rules and vocabulary lists to create personalized practice exercises. The AI could also generate video scripts for online courses, reducing production time. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow creators to monetize these AI-assisted courses, while subscription models for AI-powered tutoring, e.g. $30 a month for 24/7 homework help, appeal to students seeking affordable, on-demand support. Healthcare and wellness. In the health sector, DeepSeek could analyze wearable device data, e.g. fitness trackers, to generate personalized diet or exercise plans. A wellness coach might package these insights into a subscription app, offering AI-driven coaching at scale. Clinics could automate administrative tasks like appointment scheduling or patient follow-ups, freeing staff to focus on care. Startups might even partner with telehealth platforms to deploy AI symptom checkers, earning revenue through licensing fees or per-user charges. Creative industries and entertainment musicians, writers, and game developers can harness DeepSeek's creative algorithms. An indie filmmaker might use the AI to brainstorm plot twists or dialogue, accelerating scriptwriting. Artists could generate digital art concepts, then sell prints or NFTs. Game studios might deploy DeepSeek to design dynamic NPC dialogues or procedural storylines, reducing development costs. Platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter allow creators to monetize AI-assisted projects, while licensing AI-generated music or stock media to advertisers offers passive income. Real estate and property management agents and investors can automate property listings with AI-generated descriptions or virtual tour scripts. DeepSeek's predictive analytics might identify undervalued neighborhoods or forecast rental demand, enabling smarter investments. A realtor could use the AI to draft personalized emails for leads or analyze market reports for clients. Subscription services offering AI-curated investment opportunities, e.g., top 10 emerging markets, could attract passive income from investors seeking data-driven insights. For tech-savvy users, white-labeling DeepSeek's capabilities unlocks enterprise opportunities. A developer might build a custom chatbot for small businesses, e.g., handling FAQs for a local restaurant, and charge a monthly fee. API integrations allow startups to embed DeepSeek's tools into their apps, paying per query while upselling premium features. Hybrid models, like offering human-edited AI content, cater to clients who want efficiency without sacrificing a personal touch. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ashman. Hey there! If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Ashman's channel for more awesome updates, tips, and insights. Your support helps us grow and bring you even better content. Like if you found this helpful, subscribe to stay in the loop, ring the bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.